10-15 producers, directors were trying to make a film on Koravajja since past 10 years. And one important name I have to mention, Jagdish sir and Vijayalakshmi ma'am, because they produced more than 25 big films in Kannada. But that's what they were, every time they were mentioning, but we could not able to complete this film. Yeah, when I started, it was really, journey was not easy. It was very hard. The route was not easy. The path was not easy. I faced all sort of, the rowdies, goons attacking, disturbing the sets. I had many, renowned actors like Kabir Bedi sir and Sandeep Soparkarji, Ganesh Acharya Bollywood choreographer, many such, of course, with the Kannada fertilities. But when I was shooting with Sandeep Soparkarji and also Ganesh Acharya, ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಸಲನೂ ನನಗೆ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಐ ಬಿನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ನಗು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ವೋರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಲವಾರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಜಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್, ಸರ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ನೋವಿನ ವಿಚಾರ ರಿಯಲಿ. It is every time it's making me feel upset because the money what wasted, producer has wasted 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs. In whenever they attack, we had to stop the shoot. And all the twice I have been attacked in my own hometown. The Mangalore is my place. Mangalore is my place. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಿನಿಮಾಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ತ್ರಿವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನವರೇ, ವಿದ್ಯಾಧರ್ ಅವರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನವರೇ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಭವ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವಿ ಮೆಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಿ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಹಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ Mangalore, Mr. Sudhir Reddy, and yesterday Vidyaji has met the commissioner. He gave all the assurance and really he extended his support. Now even can see that police have come here and the crime branch also supporting us. I have to thank the region where today's Kola is going to happen. It's the Pandeshwar police area, territory. Their inspector also, he called me in the morning because really it was scary situation because I used to receive many threatening calls many times. And I told Vidyaji, yes, I can come up to Ocean Pearl Hotel. But for Kola, it's very difficult because thousands of people will gather. It's risky. I have my family, my wife and my beautiful daughter is here, Shлагya. So every time, there was no big support for me. Of course, I was working as an ITS officer, Assistant Director General in Ministry of Communication. I resigned and immediately producer has backed me with this such a big film. Pan-India film. I have not gone on that level actually. I was writing lyrics, my lyrics were popular. I was writing a play as represent the Theatre Olympics. I had a show and I have a studio with Vidyaji at Bombay. But I don't know what made Trivikramji to give such a big film to me because more than 100 directors are every time calling him. Like he has a block list. He has to show me, E director call madidru, E director call madidru. In that situation, he has taken such a daring step to give this film to me. And I have to thank Bhavya ji, and she's almost every day she's calling me and asking, hey, going to Sir Cinema, how is going? What is the next plan? She's like becoming the family member of our team. Of course, Shruti ji, but she is, I'm like, she's more busy and most of the time she'll be television. So whenever we call, like, she'll be, but whenever we call, she has extended all her support. ಬಹುಶಃ ಇಡೀ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ದ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ದೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೋ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ನನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ ಭರತ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೇಶವ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ರೀತಿ, ದ ವೇ ದೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರುಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಜಯ ಭರತ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೀ ಅಂತ. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಸರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಯಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.